Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, September 11th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm very happy to see today close. Yep, I just feel like my skin has been ripped off this week. And, I went back and did the spreadsheets. And, as far as loss of equity, we're really haven't done that bad in September. I think we're down $6,000 or $7,000 for September, and that's not a winning month. That's still a losing month. But man, I have been in much worse shape than that before. So why does it feel like this has been so horrible? And the reason it's been so horrible is basically we've seen huge losses of open trade profits, like happened yesterday. I explained how I'd seen a swing difference from high to low yesterday in terms of open trade of $40,000. $40,000 evaporated, but that wasn't $40,000 that evaporated from our closed out positions. But emotionally, it doesn't make any difference. You sit there in front of the screen and you see $40,000 evaporate. It feels like it's come out of your checking account. And so I'm kind of trying to talk myself into feeling a little better about what has been. I just felt like it was a horrible week and a horrible month and so on and so forth. But the pattern continued today, so this was not a day to make me feel much better about the way things have been going. We had negative $21,000 in open trade equity on the close yesterday. And if you remember me saying, that was down from positive $17,000 1 hour into the day. So we saw positive 17,000 go to negative 21 throughout yesterday, and that's just had me up in arms. Well, today, um, when stocks opened, right after the open, that negative number, negative 21,000, improved. It was like negative 10, negative 11. It was around then. So it was like, even though we were still negative, our losses were cut in half. So I'm thinking, hey, okay, this is pretty good. Uh, Maybe things won't be so bad. But then they started doing just like they did yesterday. Everything started going to hell. And by the time we got out of those positions, we were negative. We closed out over $19,000 in closed out trade. So we had a tiny little improvement over our $21,000 open trade yesterday to where we got out was negative 19,000. That, and again, and then we got into four positions today. Only one was positive, three negative, and we're carrying negative $3,000 in negative open trade going over the weekend into next Monday. So basically, I felt like it emotionally, it feels like we lost, $11,000 again today after having lost $40,000 yesterday. That's emotionally how it feels, but that's not reflected in our spreadsheets in terms of our total closing equity as we are trading in September. So I don't know. That's to say, maybe I'm just trying to talk myself into um, feeling better, but I don't really feel much better. I thought it was a horrible week. Um, okay, you're looking here at the Dow while I'm blabbing on, and the Dow did virtually nothing here but zigzag up and down and basically moving sideways, although officially it closed up 131 points. And I have absolutely nothing to show you. Out of all the stuff we closed out and the new stuff we got in, there's absolutely nothing but crappy trades, and I don't feel like showing you crappy trades. So that's how Freaky Friday went. I still thought it was a horrible week. September isn't going well, but maybe things will pick up next week. We'll just have to see. Hey, you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back here on Monday trading as usual.